bago natin puntahan yung specifically yung arrest order galing sa isang local court dito kay Harry Roque in connection with this human trafficking case dahil dun sa kanyang links dito sa Pogo syndicates. Nabanggit mo, maraming kuda dito si Harry Roque patungkol dito sa CA ruling kay Leila de Lima. In the meantime, nag-a-apply siya ng asylum dyan sa the Netherlands. Sa tingin mo, makakatulong ba itong mga kanyang ginagawa? Given the fact na si Leila de Lima yung poster woman ng Duterte persecution. Tapos ngayon, si Harry Roque nag-a-apply ng asylum, sinasabi naman niya, siya yung persecuted. What do you think?
Mag-usap sila ni Salvador Panelo, pareho silang presidential spokesperson. Ang sabi ni Salvador Panelo, hindi siya politically persecuted at bumalik na lang daw siya. Dito lang yata ako first time in my life sasang-ayon kay Salvador Panelo na abogado naman siya, bakit hindi siya bumalik, no? Ang laki ng pinagkaiba nila, ni Leila de Lima. Si Leila de Lima, hinarap yung kaso. Si Harry Roque, tago ng tago, ayaw bumalik. Alam mo, walang moral ascendancy si Harry Roque na pag-usapan ng mga legal processes. Pasensya na siya, pero sarili niyang university, sinuka siya. Sabi ng executive committee ng University of the Philippines, Harry Roque does not have a very good track record in defending and promoting human rights. Hindi naman ako yung nagsabi niyan. Ang nagsabi niyan, University of the Philippines Executive Committee. Sarili niyang alma mater. No? So, hindi talaga makakatulong itong mga ganito niya, lalong-lalo na meron na siyang warrant of arrest. Diba? Anong sabi ng isang post na nabasa ko kay Percy yata to? First time, this is the first for Harry Roque. He is now wanted. This is the first for Harry Roque. He is now wanted. Sabi, grabe naman to, grabe naman. Pero wanted na siya sa Pilipinas. Susulat pa yung gobyerno ng Pilipinas daw para sabihin na kailangan ng i-extradite si Harry Roque. No? So, I don't think the Netherlands will grant him asylum. It's far because this is a real fugitive from justice. There is a pending warrant of arrest from a sovereign country against him. And it is difficult to say that this is political persecution because he admitted on record as well his involvement as counsel of these Pogo hubs. No, so it's not as if hindi niya inadmit on record. It's not as if he was doing his job as a public servant. Unlike Leila de Lima, she was senator. She was investigating the war on drugs, and then all of these cases came, di ba? Si Harry Roque is not an incumbent, no? Admitted his involvement in the Pogo operations on record during the hearings in the House of Representatives. Tapos umalis. Flight is indication of risk. Ang layo Ang layo ng facts, no? Huwag din sabihin na as if siya yung politically persecuted right now, no? We know political persecution when we see it. Para bagang kahit na yung mga DDS, ang hirap yata sabihin na yung political persecutor ang politically persecuted. Kung merong political persecutor dito, hanggang ngayon, si Harry Roque yun. Hanggang ngayon, sinusubukan niya i-politically persecute si Leila de Lima. At para sa amin, siya ang master ng political persecution, no, behind Leila de Lima. So wag niyang sabihin na siyang biktima ngayon. Malayong-malayo siya from being the victim. Instead, he was the one who victimized a lot of people.